Award in the near future. And now, it's time to recognize the dedication and hard work of our participants. So I am inviting po Attorney Dalvin, Attorney Sherpy, Engineer Zendy, Councilor Joanne, Ms. MJM, Mayor Alan for the awarding of certificates. And Sir Enrique po. So let's start po with the certificate of participation. Ayan. So hindi po kaya. Ayan. Allow me to read the citation. The certificate of participation is awarded to Maria Almira Mapilan and Abu for being an active and engaged participant of Smile Ideal General Virtual Assistance Training Program for Women Batch Bayani 2024, conducted from March 18 to March 27. Her desire to accomplish the key tasks and participate in the training is a proof of her commitment to navigate the digital landscape. During this 23rd day of April year 2024 at the Smile Ideal Temporary Center, Rosario, Ocampo. Ayan. Ano kaya naman ang cost ba? May budget? Ayan. The certificate of completion is awarded to Ms. Debbie Ann Reyes Bandomo. We are in the presence of Councilor Kiko Esquero. Zenaida Salutis Pablo. Recognizing her unwavering dedication to being part of the Smile Ideal General Virtual Assistance Training Program for Women Batch Bayani 2024, conducted from March 18 to March 27. Her staunch commitment to accomplish all tasks and be part of the whole program is a testament that she has seen herself as a fusion skilled professional poised to thrive in the digital world. Given the 23rd day of April year 2024 at the Ideal Temporary Rosario, signed by Enrico E. Marquez, my Ideal Temporary Center Manager and this certificate of completion is awarded to Ms. Lucina Casasola. This certificate is awarded to Ms. Vida May Espero. po, Miss Vida. The certificate of completion is awarded to Ms. Eden Guerrero. Acknowledging the presence of Councilor J.B. Capital. This certificate is awarded to Ms. Maricel E. Zapata. The certificate of completion is awarded to Ms. Maria Noela Aizgala. Congratulations po! Ayan, closer po! Bye-bye! The certificate of completion is awarded to Miss Jeremy Arceo. Congratulations po! Di ba? Bilis pa lang. Congratulations po, Miss Jersey. Congrats. Ayan, closer. Bye-bye. Certificate of completion is awarded to Jacqueline Champon. Miss Jacqueline. Closer. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you po. Congratulations po, Miss Jacqueline. The certificate of completion is awarded to Miss Friends Linaline de la Paz. Ayan, closer po. Okay, the certificate of completion is awarded to Miss Bernadette Joy Seguila. Congratulations.
ka pa?
Is awarded to Miss Alpha Rivera P. Jerez. Congratulations to Miss Alpha. And lastly, the certificate of completion is awarded to Miss Alexandra Beatriz. During their training. And now, we have the honor of recognizing those who have displayed exceptional skill and determination. Ayan. So allow me to read the citation of the certificate. So the certificate of recognition is awarded for successfully completing all training sessions of the GPA training Batch Mayari 2024 and for registering her first recorded sales and clients during the program's rigorous campaigns. Her unwavering passion to going beyond the requirements of the class is truly commendable and shows that she is an emerging skilled professional ready for the world of GPA. During this 23rd day of April year 2024 at the Smile IT Lab Tech for Excellence